My favorite part about Actimo Tech is, that's the people. I really think that we have a team that is highly qualified, and it's also a team that I wouldn't mind going out to have a beer with.
When I started in Actimo, I felt included very quickly. People are just friendly, and it feels like everyone wants to support each other.
What we do is all focused around delivering a good product. So we don't really care about the stars on the shoulders or who has which role in the organization. It's all about what you can bring to the table and the knowledge you have.
I have to defend every line of code I'm writing, or at least be able to reason for it. I feel like that allows me to grow because it makes me explain and reason for every code and technical decision that I'm making.
If it was easy, everything, then it would be boring.
We have a tech trip where we go on a trip together with our team where we all meet up. We do hackathons consistently every few months. Hackathon is 1 or 2 day event where we focus on solving one specific problem, and we are encouraged to try out new technologies. What hackathon gives me is an opportunity to learn new things, work with other colleagues, maybe with whom I don't work on a daily basis.
You are part of deciding exactly what we're building. So your everyday job is not only to do what is in your job description, but actually making sure that the end result for our end users, for our clients and the employees of our clients, that is fantastic. You get an everyday scenario that is a little bit different than the day before, making sure that we deliver the end result to the end users.
If you start working in Actimo tomorrow, I think you will feel like you have become part of a new family. You'll feel included. You'll as well get crap if you do something wrong, but it's still going to come from this loving and supporting perspective. You join a new family that will support you and help you, and there's going to be a ton of opportunities to grow while you are here.